All right, number 25 is also more difficult than what you're going to have on the actual IA, but I just wanted to show you how they did come up with the answer. They said, suppose that a rectangle ABCD is dilated by a scale factor of 5 with the center of dilation of 1, 1. What is the approximate distance from the center of dilation to the midpoint? So they give you this little note here that the distance between the center of a dilation and any point on the image is equal to the scale factor multiplied by the distance between the center of dilation and the corresponding point on the pre-image. So the first thing they did is take the distance of the diagonal. The diagonal, if you look, you've got one point here at 0, 3. You've got one point here at 1, negative 2. So if you remember the distance formula, I've got it right here, and you plug that into the distance formula, that's how they got this diagonal is 1.41. Then we only want half that distance because from the center of dilation to the midpoint of the figure would be half that diagonal. And you multiply that by the scale factor, and that gives you the 3.5 units and how they came up with the answer. Like I said, you shouldn't have one this difficult on the IA, but just wanted to show you how they came up with the answer.